Brachova, and I am currently a research assistant professor. I was a postdoc for 5 years at the University of Kansas Medical Center, and I just recently became a research assistant professor, and I'm in the physiology department there in the lab of Lane Christensen. And in general, we study the ovary and the functions of the ovary. My project specifically is studying the oocyte and studying RNA biology of the oocyte. And as in terms of my background, I came from the University of Iowa. I did my PhD in ovarian cancer. And I was always interested in reproduction, and I was always interested in wanting to know about reproductive biology, but I never had the opportunity to do it and to learn about it until my postdoc. And luckily for me, my mentor was very supportive and very encouraging for me to attend FIR. He was also really involved in teaching with FIR and a course director here for a while. So I was very lucky to join someone's lab who was so supportive of me getting this training. And so I took FIR 5 years ago, and this year is my reunion year, so I'm really excited for the symposium and getting to see all of my other Furbies. I first heard about FIR from another Furby, and it was an MD that worked in my lab at the University of Iowa, and he was telling me about his experience here and about the course and all the different things that he learned about, and I just knew immediately that I had to take it. I guess the direct impact that I was expecting was just learning the content of the female reproduction, male reproduction, pregnancy, everything, and I had never been exposed to that before, so that was the biggest benefit that I wanted to get out of it. And then I would say that the thing that's had a more lasting impact is the connections that I've made and getting to know the faculty that are involved with the course. I think it's such a unique experience and a really important experience to try to fulfill it to its potential by interacting with the students and the faculty. It's like attending a conference. That's the main reason that people go to conferences, but it's for 6 weeks, and so it really builds strong relationships, and I think that's the most lasting impact that has had the biggest benefit on my career and personally as well. I've made a lot of friendships. I think it might be some sort of feature of human nature, just that when you experience something together that's difficult but also fun, I've never been in the Army, but I've heard people talk about it in the same way, and or like going through residency with people for med school students. I think it might just be some like social nature of humans that they build these bonds because they have experienced it together, and only they really know what they went through. And everyone, I think the biggest thing is that people that come here love science. And so when they share that love of science with other people, it makes them really happy and really excited because it's their passion. And so they're just constantly in that for 6 weeks. It's an established honor to be in this selective course, and that's seen everywhere. Like on my grant applications, people see that I've taken FIR, and they note that as a benefit and as a little golden star, and so it benefits your career just by having taken it. And then on top of that, learning from the expert of each of these fields is something that you won't get anywhere else. I hope that it continues to be funded and that it continues building a network of Furbies who then are just improving scientific discoveries in reproductive biology and building relationships and sending in new faculty that come from the course and develop maybe new techniques and new fields of study that they can then teach future generations, and just spread the science and spread the love of reproduction.